Hello friends, good afternoon. As we discussed in my last lecture, how the matrix apply in the various fields like engineering, science and etc. And today I am going to present how the inverse of the matrix can be applied in the real world and the other field. And my today's lecture topic is inverse of matrices and its application. Before going to discuss, first of all I see the content of my lecture. First of all, we introduce the inverse of the matrices. After that we see the techniques how to find the inverse, and the technique is determinant method and the Gauss-Jordan elimination method. Let us one matrix A be any n cross n matrices, then a matrix B, if it exists such that AB is equals to BA is equals to IN, then B is called the inverse of matrices A. And here notice that IN is the any identity matrix, n by n identity matrix, and identity matrix is represented by this form. The main diagonal entries are 1 and other entries all 0. This is the definition of inverse. And notice that one thing here, A inverse is not always exist. So existence of inverse is matrix must be a non-singular. Non-singular in the sense the matrix determinant have to non-zero. So that is the definition of inverse of the matrices. Before we going to discuss some technique to inverse, we have to know this quantity, transpose of the matrices, determinant of the matrices, minor of an element of a determinant, cofactor of an element of a determinant, and adjoint of a square matrix. Square matrix, you notice one thing, the square matrix is the in the square matrix row and column are equal, that is called square matrix. Now we introduce transpose of a matrix. For that let one matrix A, which is the M 3 by 2 matrix, that means 3 row and 2 column. That is entries is 1 minus 1 0 2 and minus 4 and 1. Now transpose, its transpose can be found by this 1 0 minus 4 minus 1 2 1. Means if we interchange row and column, then we get the transpose of the matrix, and transpose of the matrix can be denoted by A transpose or A dash, and that can be seen in the current scenario. Now determinant of a matrices. What is determinant of matrices? For that we take one example of 3 by 3 matrix, 2 3 1 1 2 3 1 1 0, and then determinant of that matrix can be denoted by this vertical line, 2 line. For that we can write also determinant det of A, or A matrix between 2 vertical line. Now in the current scenario we can easily say that matrix of 2 by 2 can be solved by this equation. If 2 by 2 matrix, let one example A B C D, then this 2 by 2 matrix can be solved by multiply, cross product and subtract with the another entries C and D multiplication. So final result is determinant of A is AD minus CD, means multiply main diagonal entries minus multiply the other diagonal entries. Now also we seen that the how can be found the 3 by 3 determinant. In 3 by 3 for that we let one example. 3 by 3 determinant A B C D E F G H I, and that can be solved by first 3 for solution we take the first 3 entries of the first row. For that we write the determinant is equals to, first of all let this entry A, and and for this entry we write E dot I minus F dot H minus B of D into I minus F into G plus C into D into H minus E into G. So in this fashion we can determine the determinant of a matrices. Now the minors of a